Decoding Legal Jargon. Understanding, Indict for. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to unpack a phrase that often pops up in news reports and legal dramas. Indict for. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means but also how to use it properly in a sentence. So, let's dive into the world of legal English together. First things first, let's understand what indict means. To indict someone is to formally accuse them of a crime. It's a legal term that comes before a trial in a court of law. When you hear someone has been indicted for a crime, it means that a grand jury has reviewed evidence presented by prosecutors and believes there is enough to charge the person with that specific crime. The phrase, for, in, indict for, shows the reason or the charge behind the indictment. It connects the action of indicting with the crime committed. Indict for is used in formal legal contexts. You'll hear it in the news when someone has been officially charged by the authorities, and it is especially common in the United States legal system. For example, the CEO was indicted for embezzlement. She was indicted for conspiracy to commit fraud. These sentences imply that an official legal body has formally accused these individuals of these particular crimes. While indict for is a legal term, sometimes it's used metaphorically in everyday language. When used this way, it's expressing strong disapproval of someone's actions. For example, he was indicted by the public for his role in the scandal. Note that in this context, no legal action is being described. Rather, it's a way of saying that the public has judged him harshly for his actions. And there you have it. The phrase, indict for, is a formal legal term used to describe the action of officially charging someone with a crime. Remember that an indictment is not a conviction. It's the step before going to trial where someone will be found guilty or not guilty. We hope this explanation helps you better understand the legal headlines and dramas. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more English language tips.